Today we are gonna make a simple pizzelle, a Christmas pizzelle that I always like. So first, with your pizzelle, you will have 6 eggs, 1.5 cups sugar, 1 cup margarine or butter, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 4 teaspoons baking powder, and 3.5 cups flour. So, what you want to do is you want to start by having your pizza maker start heating up. Get all your ingredients and make sure you have a clean workspace. Next, you'll beat the eggs and the sugar together. So here are the eggs, and then the sugar. After that, you add the cooled, you get the margarine or butter and you'll melt it in the liquid for about a minute. And after you get your melted butter, you should cool it for a few minutes in the fridge. Now you add the melted butter to your mix and mix it up. Okay, and now you add the vanilla. Stir well because vanilla is a strong flavor, and when you pour the vanilla, make sure it is precise. Okay, now you'll add the baking powder. Make sure you have a big enough bowl because it is a big batter. And make sure everything from the sides of the bowl is in. Now, add a bit of the flour at a time. And while doing this, make sure you have an adult close by if there's a problem. So, after you have mixed in all the flour and all of the ingredients, go over to your pizzelle maker. So, after you have everything done, you should get a plate for after the pizzelles are done and put them there. So what you do is you take a spoon. I'll go get one. So with everything ready, make sure you have a spatula to take them off because you don't want to hurt yourself. And like I said, make sure an adult is close by. So open up the pizzelle maker. Take a spoonful, make it into a small ball in your hand, but don't let it too long there or it'll stick aloft. Then put it in the middle. And I'll make another one for the other side of the pizzelle maker, because on most of them they have 2 pizzelles at a time. Make sure that they're in the middle and close it. You put them there for approximately 20 to 30 seconds. And yeah. So then you'll see here that there's that smoke's coming off, but that's okay because it's just heating up. So you'll see on some of the models that there was a yellow light here, but it turned green. That or turned off. So that's when they're ready to come out. So like you see, they are nice golden brown. Make sure to use your spatula and don't break them. And take them off. And there it is, and make the next batch. Thank you for listening. In my next video, well, how to make these pizzelle, but gluten-free. Thanks for watching. Bye.